I'm here to ask you this question as Sierra Leoneans, and for us all to answer as to whether we as a nation, Sierra Leone, the green, white and blue, needs a stock market. The reason why I'm asking this question is that over the period we've been hearing about investing in the stock markets, in the United States stock market, the UK stock markets, and various countries' stock markets, but we've not been opportune to hear about Sierra Leone stock market. So that gives me the privilege to kind of ask this question as to whether we need a financial market or a vibrant stock market. Because the key thing behind stock markets, I know, and I hope you know, is that investing in the stock market is a pathway, a very important way to financial freedom. And if these stock markets are available, I think even the idea of street trading will be minimized. Like what I heard about other stock markets that has got a minimum investment rate of $25, $100, as the case may be. So if we have this opportunity, you don't need to spend your first $1,000, your first $500 into these small businesses that you think cannot even bring you profit at the end of the day. If there's a vibrant stock market and people are aware of its operation, definitely there will be a kind of competition in investing in that stock markets. But from what I've gathered over the period, since the establishment of the Sierra Leone stock market, it has all not been going down to the population of this country. And because it has not been going down, we are all not aware of how its operations go. Research is still telling me that since the establishment of the financial markets of Sierra Leone, the stock market of Sierra Leone, there are only 3 listed companies in that stock market. So what that means, it's sending out a message that we are not even aware of what the stock market holds. We are not even aware of what the importance of investing in the stock markets to the economy. We are not even aware of its interest rate and so forth. So what we need to do as a government, or what we need to do as citizens of this nation, do we need to ask the government of Sierra Leone to really invest in the stock market to ensure that Sierra Leoneans, investors from out there, can come in and invest into the stock markets? Because if you are investing in the stock markets, that may be, I repeat, a way of getting passive income. But all we do most often is we have this money, either we save it to the various banks, of which we are not getting much interest at the end of the day. And that is deterring the growth of us as individuals and even the country. Because if you have enough money at the end of the day, you are going to establish a whole lot of enterprises around your country. We need to bring in the government, we need to bring in other stakeholders to ensure that there is this awareness of the stock market in Sierra Leone. We really need the stock market. We need a vibrant stock market, not like the one existing presently, which people are not even aware of. And one way I think this will help the nation is it will even help to reduce this gross street trading all over Freetown and even in other parts of the country. When you are investing in, say, the stock markets, it is very simple, easy, and unique. Like now in the United States, we all hear about investing in the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency, you know, all forms of investment in stock. And these are digital investments, because when you invest in the stock market, the chances that you will not make a profit is very slim. So we need to have a stock market in Sierra Leone and see how we can improve our livings and see how we can improve even on our exchange rates. That is the more reason why I think we still have issues with these exchange rates. There's no avenue within the sector of government for Sierra Leoneans to invest. So if I don't have somewhere I can invest directly and gain something at the end of the day, why do I need to deposit my $50,000 into the commercial bank just for a meager 6% or 5% interest rate? Why do I have to do that? if there is no provision or in other areas that government can kind of coordinate the investment procedure, there's no way we have to do it. So emphasizing on the importance of the stock market, probably you watching this video, we have to really understand what the stock market is. Why is it important for us as a nation, the green, white, and blue, unity and justice, for us to have a vibrant stock market? You know, a stock market is a place or a market where investors, innovators, and even entrepreneurs do connect, you know, where they connect and talk money or talk about investment or invest their various resources. For what? For profit. You know, most commonly what is in the stock market is what we call the stock, dividends, and shares. So if all these things are there, why do I have to save my money in the bank without giving me a better profit? So governments, the people of Sierra Leone, we need to have a vibrant stock market. Like I said, since the establishment of the stock market in Sierra Leone, only 3 companies are listed at the moment, and those are the Roque Commercial Bank of days. Those are days gone. You have the First Discount House, and then you have the HFC Mortgage. And we are told they do transaction on Mondays. You know, you and I don't know. So even that sector needs to play a key role in getting the people aware of what is happening in Sierra Leone. Because people may want to invest, but you know, when you are not aware of what is happening in a particular situation or in a particular market or in a particular country, how do you need to know that there is a stock market, there is an active stock market? We are not getting that from the media. We get a whole lot of social media messages, but we are not getting anything relating stock markets. So if you are out there and you know something about stock market, I think it's important, it's very necessary now for you to kind of inform those responsible that they need to, we as a nation need to have a vibrant stock market so that we can invest our little savings to get returns at the end of the day. Even we are during various discussions from various points that there are these treasury bearer bonds, which is very good to invest in. But how many of us are aware of that kind of investment in this country? How many of us? If you are aware of the investment procedure and the treasury bearer bond, please comment below. We don't have a stock market and we need it now. We need a vibrant one. No such education, no such awareness about the exchange. It all began days back with Roque Commercial Bank, and it is still Roque Commercial Bank. Let's change the narratives. It is the call of the president of this country at the moment that we all want to change the narratives of this country. And one way we should change all those narratives is to even begin from our institutions. We have series of entrepreneurs, although majority of us are trading on this small scale, but however, there are bigger entrepreneurs, there are entrepreneurs who are having bigger scales, who don't even know how they can do their turnover. So what they are doing at the end of the day, they are keeping their money in their vaults at home. And then you see the central banks going all over the place looking for money. That is not really fair on our part. So Mr. Bank Governor, you really need to step in and see how best we can do things to improve on our stock market. This video is coming courtesy of concerns raised by citizens at home and abroad that in fact we don't have a stock market. It is basically because of the video I did as to how you can start investing into stock market of Sierra Leone. So they are raising concern. People want to invest in that sector. So it's very important, if you can do it now, you try to revitalize the stock market for Sierra Leoneans, get us aware, get other investors aware about the benefit, the pros and cons, and see how best it will go for this 2021, 2022 onwards. Remember, we want to change the narratives of Sierra Leone. So if you are new to this channel and you think this video create value, please hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell so that each time we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to know. It is very important that you also share this video so that it may drop in the ear of certain people who are very important in this community and may make the proposal to ensure that what we are crying for holds. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.